trading with the Japanese candlesticks. It's like cracking the market's secret code. Most traders just see random red and green bars, but once you learn to read them, they become a roadmap showing you where confidence, fear, and profits are hidden. And today, I am giving you the express guide to reading price action like a pro, so stick around. This could change the way you see charts forever. By the way, if you are serious about learning and trading the right way, hit that subscribe button now. I post new lessons every week and you don't want to miss what's coming next. So, what's a Japanese candlestick anyway? Think of each candlestick as a tiny history. It tells you if price climbed or it went up or it dropped, went down, and how wide the ride was during a certain time. Imagine it like this. One candle is one scene in the market's drama. Here's the anatomy of a candle. The body shows the difference between opening and closing prices. Wicks, aka shadows, they reveal the extremes, the highs and lows of price. And the color, simple, green or white, price went up, means buyers took control, red or black, price went down, means sellers took control. To make it even easier, let's use a burger example. Picture this: if the burger starts at $5 and ends at $7 in 5 minutes, that's a green candle. If it drops to $4 instead, that's a red candle. Easy peasy.
It's not really easy, right?
But here's the thing, there's a way more hidden between those lines. See, the body is where the action happens. Green body, buyers took control and price closed higher. Red body, seller took over. Highs is closed lower, but don't ignore the shadow. Those wicks are secrets in the market. Those thin lines above and below, they are called shadows or wicks. Top wick, it is the highest price reached. Bottom wick, it is the lowest price. It is the lowest point. What wick tell us? A long wick means uncertainty, indecision, like when you are 20 minutes into Netflix and still haven't picked a show. Price lands but couldn't come in. Short wicks, calm water. And here's the kicker. Every candle is tied to time. Each candle is a snapshot, a 5-minute chart. A 5-minute candle tells you that is life of action. A 1-hour chart, each 1-hour candle shows 1 hour's worth of action. It is like watching the same movie but frame by frame versus scene by scene. Quick pause. If you are getting value so far, drop a like on this video. It helps more traders like you discover these lessons and it tells me to keep making them. Now, let me know in the comments if this is clicking for you. I read every single one and it's always awesome to see yours. For my visual learners, here's a quick candlestick breakdown on screen. Visual learners, this one's for you. Take a good look because this is the foundation for what's coming next. Highest price is the closing price. This is for the green candle. The candle body, the opening price, the lowest price on the week. So on the red candle, this is the opening price, this is the upper shadow or the upper wick, this is the closing price, this is the lower shadow or the lower wick. Once you put it all together, the market starts to make sense. You identify the candle, green or red, long or short body, what do the wicks say? So then you check the time frame. Are you watching the market minute by minute or zooming out to hours or days? You're looking for the patterns. How does the candle relate to the previous one? Then you interpret the story. What is the market really trying to tell me? That is when trading stops being guesswork and it starts being a strategy. Now, if you're ready to go beyond YouTube and actually start building your trading system, I created something for you. The Unstoppable Trader Tools and the Starter Guide. This isn't just another PDF or something random tips. It is like your shortcut, a step-by-step starter guide to cut through the noise, tools to simplify analysis and journaling, shortcuts to master the inner game and avoid emotional mistakes, and a plan designed to save you months of trial and error. Whether you are starting from zero or already training, this pack will help you skip the confusion and focus only on what works. The link is down in the description. If you're ready to learn how to stop second guessing and start trading the right way, I'll see you inside Unstoppable Tools. And remember, a good entry always starts with solid confirmation. Don't just click buy or sell without one. Hit subscribe now so you don't miss the next week's lesson. Drop a comment with your biggest takeaway and share this with another trader who needs this guide. Trade smart, trade confident, and trade and flip.